The 7 silent killers of Ikenga energy. In Igbo philosophy, Ikenga represents personal power, drive, courage, achievement, and the ability to shape one's world through disciplined action. Ikenga energy is what allows a person to rise, to persist, and leave visible marks on life. When Ikenga is strong, effort aligns with purpose. When it weakens, stagnation sets in. What makes the decline of Ikenga energy dangerous is that its impact can be long-lasting. Below, we've highlighted 7 silent killers of Ikenga energy, which are important to be vigilant about. Number 1. Procrastination. Procrastination can be a slow poison. Every time action is postponed despite clarity, Ikenga energy weakens. The mind grows accustomed to delay, and the will loses sharpness. In Igbo thought, power is reinforced through doing. We even have a saying, Igbo bu ihe a na-eme eme. Action, even when executed imperfectly, feeds Ikenga energy. When ideas are endlessly rehearsed but never executed, the inner force that drives achievement begins to atrophy. Over time, procrastination trains a person to distrust their own sense of urgency. Number 2. Self-doubt. Self-doubt is a quiet saboteur. It makes ability feel insufficient and opportunity feel undeserved. Ikenga energy thrives on self-trust, confidence derived from effort and accountability. When a person consistently questions their worth or capacity, they hesitate at critical moments. That hesitation compounds. Eventually, the spirit learns to stand down before the world even pushes back. Number 3. Fear of failure and public judgment. Fear is natural. But when fear becomes the primary decision maker, Ikenga weakens. Many people are not afraid of failing. They are afraid of being seen failing. This fear encourages smallness. It leads to playing safe, hiding talent, and avoiding responsibility. Ikenga, however, grows through confrontation with risk. Without exposure to challenge, it has nothing to sharpen itself against. Number 4. Lack of discipline. Energy without direction. Cultivating Ikenga energy does not stop at having intense motivation. Discipline is what stabilizes it. Without structure, effort will become scattered. Goals will change frequently, and commitments will dissolve easily. The person feels busy, but produces little. Ikenga requires consistent effort, repeated over time, regardless of mood. Number 5. Constant comparison. Comparison redirects energy outward. Instead of focusing on one's own path, attention becomes fixated on how others are progressing. This breeds resentment, impatience, or imitation. Ikenga is personal. It responds to alignment with one's chi and circumstances, not to borrowed timelines. When comparison dominates, inner motivation is replaced with external validation. The result is exhaustion and loss of direction. Number 6. Comfort addiction. Comfort is one of the most socially acceptable killers of Ikenga energy. Excessive ease dulls ambition and reduces tolerance for discomfort. Growth requires friction. Without it, resilience fades. A life designed solely around convenience trains the spirits to retreat at the first sign of resistance. Number 7. Disconnection from meaning. Perhaps the most dangerous killer is meaninglessness. When effort feels detached from purpose, Ikenga energy evaporates. The person works, but without conviction. achieves but without satisfaction. In Igbo consciousness, strength is sustained by a sense of why. When actions no longer feel connected to identity, responsibility, or legacy, the inner fire dims. No amount of external success can compensate for this internal disconnect. Rebuilding Ikenga energy. Ikenga energy responds quickly to honesty, discipline, and decisive action. Small acts of follow-through, self-trust, and purposeful effort begin restoring it almost immediately. The danger of failure is in remaining unaware of what is draining you. The 7 killers are subtle, but once named and confronted, they lose their power. Jisike.